Today the state budget has been announced. Opposition leader KCR has criticized it, calling it as anti-farmer and anti-woman bill that has been passed, and most of the budget was about criticizing the previous regime. What do you have to reply?
No, actually, as an opposition leader, I think it has become the custom of them to criticize the budget. We don't want to go into his right. But the point I would like to mention here is, when he had come to criticize the state budget here, why didn't he criticize the union finance minister budget statement with a subheading AP Reorganization Act, which made one state very dear to union, one state very far to this. The other state, they made it amply clear that Telangana has been given stepmotherly treatment. Yesterday, when there was a strong and serious debate going on the floor of the assembly in Telangana, the opposition leader, why didn't he come and express his thought, express the anguish, agony of the people of Telangana? He didn't do it. If he would have done that, and if he would have done the same comments on our budget, he would have been on the platform which has been required by the opposition leader. This reflects the BJP and BRS are sailing together, and they don't want to criticize each other, and at the cost of the Telangana people, they would like to carry the politics.
So you've called for an indefinite hunger strike, Janata Mantar. BRS responds, they are ready for it. What is the next step forward?
Our chief minister, when they have thrown challenge to the government, our chief minister Revanth Reddy has accepted the challenge and said, if their leader KCR comes and sits, we are ready to sit for the strike. So, candidly, we told in a very clear terms that we are ready for it, provided their leader also come. Right? Thank you.
So this was the Telangana IT and Legislative Affairs Minister Sridhar Babu Garu, with camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.